Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a battery powered security camera. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a security camera from the company Litmor. And this security camera, let me just tell you guys, has so many features. It is waterproof, it has a rechargeable battery, two-way audio, SD card storage, 1080p resolution quality, and there's just so many other features that this security has to offer. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you guys are new to this YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then lastly, if you're a business owner or a company owner interested in our product review in the future, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review. But you know, all the product information and also the link to purchase this product will always be down below in the description. So you guys want to actually check out this product, there will be more information down below for you guys to take a look at. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see on the top of the box, you know, there's a nice picture of the actual security camera, and as I flip this box around each side, you guys can see there's a lot more specifications and details about this security camera. So what we're going to do is actually shift this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the top of the box, it just says battery cam, and this is a picture of the Litmor security camera. As we flip this onto this side, this gives you guys a rundown of all the specifications and details. You guys can take a pause and read that. And on this side, it just gives you guys a few other specifications and details about this security camera. So what we're going to do now is actually proceed to unbox this security camera. So all you need to do is lift up this flap. You guys can see this is how it looks like inside. This is how it looks like inside. You get a readme before you use card. So this is obviously our user manual. This will give you guys a lot more information and details about how to use this security camera and exactly what to do with the setup process. When we pull this up, you guys can see this is the security cam itself. It comes in a nice kind of plate, and you guys can obviously take it off the plate. This is the security camera. It does have two spotlights, and I think this is the motion detracting ball, and then obviously the security camera on top. So it is really nice, and I think there's also microphones, and you guys can see there's some speakers. It has a mounting plate, and it also has a locking mechanism of where you guys can insert and put in your battery. Inside this box, this is all of our accessories that are included with the packaging. You guys can see we get included with a micro USB cable that you guys can use and utilize to charge up this security camera, and then we also get some screws and some brackets that you guys can use to attach this security camera onto your walls, your deck, onto the side of your house, or anything really. And then we also get a sticky pad that you guys can use to stick this security camera on if you don't want to actually mount it with screws. So what I'm going to do is actually move this box off to the side so we have more space to work with. So as you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, this is everything that's laid out. I already showed you guys how the camera looks like, but I am going to show you guys how you take out the battery and also where to charge this security camera. So you take off this mounting plate that they included. I'm going to put it off to the side, and all you need to do is there's a locking mechanism on the behind of this security camera, and all you need to do is unlock it. So twist it to this way, and I can open it up, and you guys can see these are the two rechargeable batteries. Once you remove the batteries, this is where you'll put your micro SD card in if you choose. So this is where the SD slot is for this camera. So what we're gonna do now is move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So what we need to do is actually go into the Litmor application. So you guys can actually install the application on iOS or Google Play, depending on your device. So let's find Litmor. Where is it? There we go. Click on it, and it's going to open up the application. Once you get to the home page of the screen, it's going to ask you to either create an account or sign in. So what you need to do is, click on Get Started and create an account, and you just put in your credentials. We have successfully connected to the application. It's going to ask you to re-sign in, and once you log in, you guys can see it's going to ask you to record audio. You can click allow to access photos and stuff, devices, location, allow to take pictures and video. So now that since we're on the home page of the application, you guys can see you can go into your settings system. You guys can basically configure anything. What we're going to do is connect to this security camera. So what we need to do is, let's see. So please scan the QR code next to the battery compartment of your device. So we're gonna have to unlock this part of the camera again. You guys can see there's a tiny little security QR code on the back. So what we're gonna do is scan it. And let me see. I'm scanning it. And I think we are good. Now it's asking me to please name your device. In our case, we're gonna name this device living room. Click next. We need to click on the reset button. So let me open this back up. So we need to hold down the reset button, which is next to the charging port, for 3 seconds until we hear a beep and see the red light flashing. Okay. There's a red light flashing. You guys can see there is a red light flashing, meaning we can proceed. So the red light is flashing. It's going to ask you to connect to your home Wi-Fi. So type in those credentials as well, and then click on connect. Whoa, that's interesting. It's just green, so I don't know. Let's continue, I guess. Okay, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Okay, that connection process was actually really interesting. That was really cool, actually. Success. So we're good to go. Let me just reattach the plate back on. Okay, that was really cool. I'm not gonna lie. I was not expecting it to connect like that. Click OK. And it looks like I could watch it live. Oh, there I am. Can you guys see me? Let me put it back onto its plate so we guys can have like a little tripod. Welcome, Jordan. So we need to turn this down. So there is audio. You guys can hear this audio with this security camera. No micro SD card installed. Your device can't record events without a local micro SD card. We are going to put an SD card later on, but we're not going to put it on right now, so we're going to ignore that. But you guys can see it's recording my face currently. It's a little bit delayed, but it's still pretty good. The quality doesn't look bad at all with the lighting and stuff. But you guys can see you can go into settings. You guys can turn on and off the device, name it, go to live view. You can schedule it. You guys can also get a real-time notification with the security camera, which is really good. There is a motion detection sensitivity. So right now we have it at its lowest, but you guys can go up to medium and high. So if you want to, capture high amounts of movements, even if it's just the slightest bit, you can increase your sensitivity. So you have all the options on the side of the menu. So I can go in, turn on the lights. Whoa. That light is so bright. Holy cow. I don't know if you guys can see this, but on this camera, the lights are extremely bright. I'm actually really surprised. So also on the side, you guys can go in and take pictures, but since we don't have a memory card inserted into the security camera, it's not going to be able to save anything. And you guys can start recording. It looks like I can record though. And we also got that alarm feature that we were testing out earlier. So right now, if I clicked on the alarm, let me go back, there we go. It's just gonna repeat. So yeah, this camera, this security camera has a lot of features, but obviously what we're gonna do is actually, obviously go outside and test this out in an environment that makes sense. But I think we can conclude our inside test. But yeah, you guys can, check events, save whatever happens throughout the day. So I think that this is a very nice and convenient product to check out. So if I have another clip of me testing this out outside, I'll include it right here. Alright guys, so we're currently outside. It's about 11:30 at nighttime right now, and we're going to test out the Litmor battery operated security camera. We have it on a tripod because we don't want to actually mount this onto the wall and stuff, but we're just going to do a quick demonstration on the motion tracking, the security alarm, and also the spotlight. So let's go on to the application. So you open it up, and once it loads up, you guys are going to see, you can watch your live camera view. You guys can see the camera actually has the spotlights on right now, and it's currently capturing me right now. I'm out here, and you guys can see it's currently capturing me. What we're going to do now is do a motion range test. What I'm going to do is stand back there and kind of walk up towards the camera. Okay, so you guys can see it took a while, but it did detect me. I was standing about, I could say this is about 30 feet, 25 feet away, and it was able to detect me. It's just having a delay because my Wi-Fi signal is not strong out here. So the last thing we're going to do in this video is test out the siren, because we've already tested a lot of features inside the house when I did the original test. So right now it's just booting back up because I had to reopen the app. So let's go back into this camera, and you guys can see I'm on the phone screen right now. So let's turn on the security alarm and for just 5 seconds. That's pretty loud. So if someone was trying to break in, or if someone was, the motion detection captured your footprint or whatever, your audio, you can have this trigger on and then scare off any potential bad people. So it's really nice that they added that. But the camera is not bad. It's just with our Wi-Fi is not strong out here, so it's a little delayed on our phone screen. But other than that, the Wi-Fi, it's not bad. You can even talk to the security camera. Hello? Hello? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Can you get out? Can you get out? And it's pretty loud. So this is not a bad security camera, but right now what we're gonna do is move on to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about the security camera from the company Litmor. I think that this is a fantastic product to just have that kind of peace of mind in your mind. You just want to have something that can capture stuff if something were to happen. I'm not saying your house is going to get broken into or there's going to be an accident in front of your house, but you just never know. This security camera is ideal for you to just capture moments that you otherwise wouldn't capture without one. So that's why you would get something like this. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment, as I reply and read every single comment I receive. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts and links are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you're a business owner or a company owner interested in our product review in the future, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a future product review. And then lastly, if you guys want to purchase or get more information about the security camera, there will be a links and also more information down below in the description. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this security camera or getting more information, there will be more info for you guys to check out down below. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.